Welcome to ProfitCode, the first ever AI app builder that's going to allow you to build an unlimited number of apps and then sell them to an unlimited number of customers. Now, ProfitCode has multiple types of AI apps that you can build. From apps that give you blog titles, blog ideas, blog intros, summarized text, video titles, and so much more, to AI image generators, to AI chatbots, to AI code that allows you to actually print code with AI, to speech-to-text and text-to-speech AI that do all of this complicated job for you and for your customers. Let's just test it. So let's just go with video description here, and I'm just going to try and describe this video that I'm building right here. And I'm just going to go with creativity. I'm going to put it to max. Tone of voice, I'm going to do it as funny, and then we'll just put one number of result and go for it. And now this is just one example of apps that you can build for your customers. Let me just show you how the AI images work as well. So if I go here and then I just ask it to print a blue house on a pier with a forest behind, with a red forest behind, and we'll just generate this very weird image here. And done. We have basically exactly what we asked for. And we can build AI chatbots and then have them linked up to our messenger to talk for our business. We can ask it to print any type of code, so we can ask it to generate a button, a buy button, generate an entire app if we want to. Speech to text, which allows you to convert any audio file, podcast, movie, anything you can think about into text. And text to speech, which allows you to convert any type of text file, document into a very human-like speech. On getting access to ProfitCode, you're going to get access to your very own registration page that will allow you to create all of these AI apps and have your customers sign up to use them. You'll be able to restrict customers as much as you want, to give them access to certain apps, allow them to use others, and just so much more. You have full control, including you'll be able to add your own payment settings and then manage those however you want to make sure you maximize your profit. And not to mention that we handle support for you. Any support requests that come into this panel here will be directed to our support team, and it will be handled by us immediately. So this is a one-time opportunity here to start creating your very own AI apps, have full control over your customers, and basically just get a fully fledged AI app builder for just a one-time payment. So check out ProfitCode right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.